Published 1818 EDT, the 30th of August 2017. Updated 1850 EDT, the 30th of August 2017. Alicia Dixson has been left devastated after her younger brother was involved in a horrific car crash that killed his friend. The Britain's Got Talent judges chapter 30-year-old sibling John Lonergan was a passenger in James Bartle's Ford car when it smashed into trees in Welwyn, Hertfordshire. Alicia, 38, is now said to be sick with worry for her brother, who is badly hurt but in a stable condition. Devastated Alicia Dixson is said to have been strongly affected by her brother's involvement in a crash that left his friend dead. Pictured from right. Alicia, Azuka Onanye and her brother John. A source close to Alicia told The Sun John is lucky to be alive, adding he has several broken ribs and a broken collarbone. Alicia's brother is also said to be devastated about the death of his good friend, delivery man James, who was 29, had a young son and daughter with 32-year-old girlfriend Annamarie Kelly. Police said they were investigating the cause of the crash, which occurred at about 5 p.m. on Sunday. A friend of the Dixon family said it was puzzling how the car crashed because it was on an open road. Alicia and John are said to be very close, having grown up in difficult circumstances in Hertfordshire. Delivery man James Left, who was 29, had a young son and daughter with 32-year-old girlfriend Annamarie Kelly. Right. Alicia Dixson. From 1995 until 2005, Alicia was a member of the pop group Mystique. PC Jackie Lister, who is investigating the tragedy, said police are keen for any witnesses to come forward. She added, I am conscious that many drivers these days have dash cams fitted to their vehicles and may have captured the vehicle being driven immediately prior to the collision. If anyone has footage, this may prove useful to the investigation. Please contact me on Hertfordshire Constabulary's non-emergency number 101 so that I can review it.